Hello viewers, welcome to our channel AZV Vlogs. Let us now see the unboxing and installation of Durafit Ranger Threadmill. This is how the threadmill comes with a safe and strong packing. We directly purchased this threadmill from the official website of Durafit, as this model is not available in any of the online shopping sites like Flipkart or Amazon. Let us unbox the package now. The box is too heavy to lift. We need almost 4 to 6 persons to lift the box. The gross weight of the shipment is around 125 kgs. Let us remove the cardboard box now and see what's there inside. Yes, this is the threadmill which we bought. We can fix the parts of the threadmill by ourselves. We don't need any installation beam. This motorized threadmill can help us to complete our goal of keeping fit together with unique and elegant appearance. It became very difficult for us to lift it. Only 2 delivery boys came and they asked our help. Altogether, we finally lifted the box and started unboxing it. It would have been better if the manufacturer have provided some sort of side handles for the box to lift it. The Durafit Ranger Threadmill comes with a user guide. Installation steps are available in that user guide. We have to uplift the LCD panel display part in upright position and hold it firmly for installing the threadmill. 2 wrenches are given to fix all the screws. We have to fix all the screws which are given in the box. Use M8x45 screw on both sides of threadmill to pass through below connection hole. Tighten up the 2 uprights with 2 M8x20 screws. You can see M8x20 screw which is fitted there in order to lift the LCD panel display in the upright position. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. This is how the running belt looks like. Let us see the LCD display unit now. The panel displays time, speed, distance, calories and pulse rate. It has an aux and USB port so that directly we can connect our mobile to the Durafit Ranger and enjoy the music during our work. It consists of 3.5 HP DC motor, and we can see here the switch and a power cable to power up the Ranger. 2 shims are provided in the box to connect for the side pillars. You can see in the video that on one side of the pillar we have not connected the shim. So if we move on to the other side, you can see the shim which we have connected. Yes, you can look out now. So that is how we have connected the shim. So this is how the shim looks like and we have to connect it. The Durafit Ranger comes with a magnetic safety key to prevent us from accidents. If you attach that key, then only the threadmill functions. Otherwise, the safety alarm starts buzzing, showing error on the screen. The Durafit Ranger has 110 preset programs. The dashboard has volume adjustment, song changing, inclination and speed adjustment buttons. On the dashboard, you can see 12 preset programs. If you don't want these programs, simply you can start the threadmill and adjust the speed accordingly. This is how the buttons are given on the dashboard. Speed adjustment and inclination buttons come again on the handle too. We can check our pulse rate while working out just by holding the handle with our hands. The panel shows us whether we are walking slow or running too fast also. The speed range of the threadmill is 0.8 to 18 km per hour. We can adjust the speed in fractions also. Now on the screen you can see I am increasing the speed gradually. Along with the bar graph, the LCD panel is showing you how the speed is increasing. The graph is going up when you are increasing the speed, and you can see the speed adjustment is changing in fractions. So maximum we can go up to 18 kilometers per hour. Yes. Now let me show you the decrement in speed. So when we push the button, the speed will slowly come down in points, and while running the treadmill it reaches to 0.8. Now coming to the inclination levels, we have 18 levels of auto inclination. Now let us see the changes in inclination level. I made it to 0 first. Now let me press the button and increase the inclination level. Let me go up to 10 and see how the running belt rises up. This is the installation and initial impression of Durafit Ranger treadmill. If you like this video, please click on the like button. For more updates on unboxing and reviews, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.